This video is designed to assist you in the application of the DuraShield 310-61 Field Applied Joint and Repair System, or JARS kit. This video should be used in conjunction with the application specification sheet that is included in your JARS kit. The JARS kit is designed to provide corrosion coverage for welded areas of pipe that are not yet treated with the DuraShield coating, as illustrated here. It may also be used to perform field repairs on polyurethane coating or lining. In the kit, you'll receive the following: 1 container of base coat material, 1 container of top coat material, 2 small containers of activator, 2 wooden paint stir sticks, 2 paint brushes, 1 metal paint mixer for use with a drill, 2 sets of latex gloves, and 1 copy of the JARS specification sheet, also available on our website. Some additional items used in this demonstration include an angle grinder, acetone for cleaning your surface, a drill, a compressed air-powered bristle blaster, and a roll of duct tape. You'll begin by using your angle grinder to create a smooth feathered transition from your painted surface to your untreated surface. This process will remove the gloss from the finished area, and the edges will look like this, gloss-free with a smooth transition. Upon finishing this step, use an air compressor to dry air blast away dust and debris from the process. You may also use a broom, a vacuum, or a brush to clean your surface before proceeding. We'll be demonstrating 2 methods for preparing the steel surface. Use your angle grinder with a steel grinding pad to thoroughly abrade the surface of your steel to remove any rust or imperfections and to produce deep grooves in the metal to allow for proper adhesion of the DuraShield material when applied. The angle grinder should be used to achieve the roughest surface possible and run perpendicular to the flow of water in the pipe. The angle grinded area will look like this when complete. Here, a bristle blaster is used to achieve a maximum and uniformly abraded surface well suited for the application of the DuraShield product. The bristle blaster tool will leave a clean, pebbled finish that will look like this when ready to receive the DuraShield base coat. For alternative methods for preparing the surface, please consult the application specification. When this abrading step is complete, you will again clean your surface of any dust and debris. Using acetone, wipe down the edges of your work area as shown here to be sure it is clean, free of debris, and ready to receive the DuraShield material. MEK or isopropyl alcohol may also be used in this step. The final step of the preparation process is to run a line of duct tape along the existing coating in the area that was feathered at the start, with the edge of the tape on the roughened coating as demonstrated here. This tape will form the edges of the new coating when applied. For this demonstration, we're only taping off a small area. In the field, unless being used for a repair, the duct tape will form a ring around the entire circumference of the pipe. Proper mixing of the materials is a critical first step in the process. Using the included metal paint mixer and a drill, mix the base coat until it's a uniform, thick consistency. Once the base coat is completely mixed, add the entire contents of the activator and immediately continue mixing with your metal mixing blade and drill. Use the included wooden paint mixing sticks to scrape the sides and bottom of the container to ensure that all parts of the base coat mixture are completely incorporated into the mix as illustrated here. Then one final mix with the mixing blade and drill, and your base coat is ready for immediate application. Using one of the included paint brushes, apply the base coat material to your work area. Please note that the polyurethane mixture is much thicker than paint, so the brush will be used like a trowel or a putty knife to deliver large amounts of material to your work area with each dip. Each load of material will then be brushed out to completely cover your work area with a consistent and thick coat of base coat material. Also note that when properly applied, the polyurethane material will have brush marks present from the application process. Again, because this material is so much thicker than paint, it is completely normal that your material will look like this when applied. Dry time for the base coat is 2 to 2.5 hours depending on the temperature. Colder temperatures will cause the material to cure more slowly. For the preparation and mixing of the top coat, you'll go through the same process used for the preparation and mixing of the base coat described earlier. After thorough mixing, immediately apply the top coat to your work area using the second of the two supplied brushes. Like the base coat, it is normal to have brush marks in the finished application due to the thickness of the material being applied. When application is complete, remove all duct tape from your work area and your job is finished. Congratulations, you have now successfully applied the DuraShield 310-61 Field Applied Joint and Repair System, or JARS kit.